right, let's make sure that I'm live here. I am live. Okay, here we go. All right, welcome to the E-Mini Thunderdome, guys. I don't know if you heard me before, but if you are on the paid membership, I send you an e-link. I suggest you going through that because I will end this in half an hour. All right, let's get started real quick because we're running out of time here. All right, start looking at the market. Wow, market has been sideways for the last 2 hours. Right, why is that camera like that? I don't know. All right. All right, I can't see any chats on YouTube. I apologize, but I am out of screen real estate. So there's a link to my email in the description, or go to my website if you have any questions. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So we got some poor structure. Am I streaming correctly here? Make sure everything is good. Let me take some of the stuff out of the way here. This is all old news. So for those of you that joined me this morning, I did take that long from 24.75 and I cleared exactly 10 points. So I said I was looking for that long. I did take the long. Oh, am I not? Hold on a second. Gotta make sure that my microphone is on audio. All right, it wasn't on. All right, still figuring out. So on the subscriptions, I am going through go to webinar, so there's only about a 2 seconds latency. So on YouTube is anywhere between 7 to 10 seconds. All right, let's get back to what's important here. All right, so we got some port structure above right there. All right, so I'm gonna see how it reacts over here at 43. It looks like it wants to break out and tag our first target on the upside. We do have resistance between 50 and 60. Yesterday in the afternoon, it started going for new highs. So let's see if it wants to do the same thing. So I'm profitable, not in a hurry. So if it does decide to fill in this support structure, we do have a soft, ooh, there could be a long right here. Could be a long, but I am afraid of this double top. It's not the the ETH high, but it is the, okay, I'm gonna take a, let's see here, just a quick little scalp. I want to see if it wants to go and fill in the support structure real quick. Come on, baby, go, go, go. So I'm trading like if I was trading a 50K evaluation. Come on, get into that support structure. Any signs of them selling, I am getting out. I have my stop already floating, ready to drop. Oh, here comes some sellers. I did not have time to drop it. Come on, stop pick. I did not have time to drop it. Okay, if it doesn't stop at 39.50, actually I'm gonna go and bring it up to 38.75, only risking $25. So I'm going for this poor structure right above, but obviously we're dealing with a double top and sellers, retailers going short. It looked like I had joined in the buyers, but come on, baby, let's go. Now it's going to take me out. No, this target is done. Yeah, it's going to take me out. All right, I'm going to give this a little chance here because we do have a shadow that could stop it at 38.50. Nope. I jumped the gun on it. Should have waited a little longer, but I did go in, followed my rules.
Yes.
I did follow my rules. There was buyers who came in. We were entering a poor structure, which was a target. So even though if I do get stopped out, I'm not going to be upset about this trade. Right, it should stop here. Come on. I may even add. So I'm looking for a breakout of this range. I'm going to add another 2 right here. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm going to, oh, with this, I don't have a runner because I want to leave a runner to go to 47.25. I don't have a runner. Oh, come on. Hold on. Hold on. So Delta's all the way at 47,000 on the RTH and 35 on the ETH. So I'm looking for an ABC up or a wave 3. That would be wave 1, 2, 3 up. True target would be 50, which is resistance, but I'm just going for scalps, 5 to 6 points. That is the rotation that the market makers are doing these days. So I would like to have a 1 as a runner, but the way that I entered this trade, it's 2 and 2. So I'm not going to be able to split it. So I don't want to take a chance. The market is chop suey mode. So I'm just going to exit at 47.25 if it starts to go my way. Not going to be greedy. the runner. That's it. I am gonna exit 2 at 44.75, which is the top of the support structure right there. Come on, buyers. So we took a 20-point trade this morning. Wish I could have had a 40-point trade, but I kind of hesitated going long at 41.04. I knew it was a solid trade, but I hesitated, and then I went in. I believe it was at 10. I can't recall. All right, looks like it's going to take me out here. So there is support at 36.50. I'm going to give this a little more risk here. So I'm risking $52. So this is why I always say under leverage your trades so you're able to adjust to the market. Because sometimes you will have, you may be right on the move, but you're wrong on the entry. So either you take your stop and you start all over, or you under leverage yourself so you don't have to go and deal with re-entering. Because I'm the type of person that once I'm out, you know, I have to get into that zone again to re-enter a trade. So I prefer to lower my stop. I prefer to be under leverage and lower it instead of having to re-enter. Because if I was wrong, you know, if I'm getting out, then I was wrong on the first place, and I should have never been on the trade in the get-go. But I also need to be careful not to be wishful thinking, oh, I hope it goes my way. No, I'm not doing that. I have a solid target. I have a solid pattern that I recognize. And the market is looking to break out, right? We've been in a range. We've been in balance. Market wants to go out of balance. And hello to you guys that I haven't seen in a while. Nice seeing you again. Thanks for joining us. All right, I'm sorry to say, but I'm only going to do half hour on this YouTube stream. I do have to give preference to my paying members. But at least you'll have an idea of what I'm looking for and where I'm trying to reach. So hopefully that will help you. All right, stalling here. I'm not liking this trade anymore. Either I need a stop pick right here, or it's going to take me out. And there it is. There's the move. So this needs to be a stop pick. So if you don't know what a stop pick is, so retail traders would have gone long here at 39, and they would have put their stop at 38. The robots know that people usually put their stop there, so they go hit the stop and go long again. That's what a stop pick is. They're just picking you off. So I need this bar to turn green. All right. Delta's not helping me. And neither is the volume. Here we go. Here we go. That could be the stop pick. I need to see 2 green bars. And I just hope they don't do a stop pick on the other side, bring me in all my 2 contracts and dump it on me. So I'm taking a chance on adding here. I'm very conscious of what I'm doing. But I think I'm high enough that it wouldn't be a stop pick, but you never know what they're up to, right? Because we are negative. So I'm going against the grain, but we're negative because of a report, right? So usually the market wants to revisit a report area. All right, here we go. Here we go. Boom, boom. Here we go. Hot knife. Let's go. All right, now I'm going to have to mama bear. I'm going to have to split this into 2 and 47.50. 47.50, and then, oh, I'm going to lower this. No, 45 is good. All right, I hope I don't get stuck here on a stop pick on the opposite side. Come on. I need another green bar here. So trying to get out of value, out of the range. Fix the poor structure. So fixing a poor structure is just filling in more volume. So we are on a double distribution on a volume profile. This morning we were on a B. So either if it's a B, it wants to fill it, or then it turns into a trend. If it turns into a trend, it will extend the B and make another bell on top of the B. And that's why it's called a double distribution, because now we have a low volume node in between the bell on top and the bell on the bottom. Come on, let's go. All right, I'm going to go and split the stop also, just in case I am on the opposite side of the 36, actually 37. I'm just going to go and leave it. I'm just going to go and leave it. So I'm risking $112, and I'm the opposite side. Yep. It's the chance I took. I was well aware of it. So instead of maybe doing the ABC up, it's an ABC south. All right. If this bar doesn't stop and turn up into a green, the trade is over. And they came in with momentum. Yeah, it's going to take me out. All right. I took my chance. I was aware of the risk, and that's it. Okay. So I was on the opposite side. All right. They got me. I just hope that this here is not a stop pick of this side here now. And then, boom. My trade was right, but I jumped in too early. Right, I took away some of my profits from this morning. So are we going to correct down? So I need to be aware that this is what happened yesterday. They tricked everybody thinking, oh, nothing's going to happen. The last 15 minutes, they went up 15 points. But I don't want to FOMO anything, so I need to look for clear signals. So I'm trading like if I was trading a 50K evaluation account. Maximum 4 MES. So there is some, I need to change the color of this, hardly see it. There's 200 orders waiting at 34. Oh, this is looking like a stop pick from this side here. Yeah, I might have gotten fooled. All right. I'm going to see how it reacts inside of this. So this is the consolidation area, right? Consolidation, it's how it reacts here. If it doesn't hot knife through this, then it's going to be a short to go all the way down to the poor structure at the bottom. So I'm going to see how it reacts in here. If I hadn't just gotten hit on a stop, I would most likely be thinking about a short, but I need to be careful here. I need to see clear signs. All right, here comes the sellers. The buyers are getting absorbed. Now this would be a nice short because I know exactly where I could put my stop, right? I could put it right at 43. So it's a good money management. So both of these were with momentum. Which one is the move? Is it the buyers or the sellers? All right, crude's gonna close. Oh, let me make sure my squawk box is on. All right, I'm gonna see how it deals with this area here. Be thinking about a short. I think I might have gotten caught on a stop pick from this swing here. So my trade could be good, but I just got in too early. And because I was over leveraged for my size account, I couldn't move my stop. So they always say it's not where you get out, is where you get in. So I got in at the wrong spot, and look at this trade. It's looking like a good trade, but I over leveraged myself buying higher. Bummer. So this could still be part of the ABC or wave 3 up. It's an inside, it's a structure within an inside structure. Alright guys, I'm going to be leaving in 4 minutes for you guys on YouTube. If you don't know, I started a private channel. There's a link to my website in the description. Go and check out the website. We've been streaming in the mornings and afternoon, depends on the plan that you choose. And we're using GoTo. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. There's a contact me page inside of the website if you want to go through the website. Yeah, it looked like a solid trade. Bummer. Or maybe they're testing 43. I mean, we are seeing, fix this.
Just in case any implications.
We are on the channel up.
Reuters reported
higher
Binance moved $400 million from
lows.
partner to firm.
That's what you want to see when you're going long. You want to see higher lows. Never the opposite. It's not higher highs. It's higher lows. It's the bottom end. And then on the opposite side, you want to see lower highs. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Retailers are stepping in, but not clear if it's a short or not. I'm going to take my time here, but there could be a solid short right here. Looks like there's resistance at 44.50. It's getting rejected at the poor structure. Just because there's a poor structure doesn't mean that it's going to be filled now. It could be filled tomorrow, in a month, in a year. Right, it could be a little entry right here to go long and finish this poor structure. But that's a scalp. I don't do 2-point scalps. Never been good at it. Never been good at it, at scalping, so I stay away. But I do see signs of buyers trying to take this higher. Delta has increased. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on YouTube. I appreciate you, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. And for you guys that are on the private, if you haven't switched already back, I'll see you on the go to webinar. You should have a link in your email. All right, guys.